Good evening student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with some new question of trigonometric identities. I have written the question on my board. Let's see how we will solve this question. Identities is the very easiest process and identity is the very easiest method to solve. But the thing is that uh, mm, one, you have to take correct decision at correct time. Second is that application of correct formula at the correct position, then the identity problem will be more easier for anybody. So I will suggest do these types of things and solve the question of identities. It will be very fun for you to solve such types of question. See, the question is this one: if m if tan a is equal to n tan b and sin a is equal to m sin b, prove that cos square a is equal to m square minus 1 divided by n square minus 1. These types of question you will find in R.S. Agarwal book. I will suggest you that if here it is a, then you have to find the value of b in terms of tan angle a. Here also you have to find this b in terms of a. So first we will try to find the value of tan b or whatever b in terms of a. Since tan a is equal to n tan b, so it will be tan a divided by n is equal to tan b. Now we can find the value of cot, so it will be n divided by tan a is equal to 1 divided by tan b. So value will be n cot a is equal to cot b. Similarly, from this, since sin a is equal to m sin b, so sin a divided by m is equal to sin b. Now m divided by sin a is equal to 1 divided by sin b. Now m cot a is equal to cot b. After this m cosec a is equal to cosec b. After this we will use the formula, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and then we will find the value of, establish the relation, the given relation that we have to find. So see this one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, so it will be cosec square b will be m square cosec square a minus cot square b will be n square cot square a is equal to 1. What we have to do, we have to transfer this into sine and cos, so it will be m square by sine square a minus n square by cos square a divided by sine square a is equal to 1. Take the LCM. After taking LCM, it will be sine square a m square minus n square cos square a is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, so it will be m square minus n square cos square a is equal to sine square a. So we have to transfer this sine square a in terms of cos square a. So for this one, m square minus n square cos square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So this one will go there, or we can transfer this one, m square minus 1 is equal to n square cos square a minus cos square a. So after this one, m square minus 1 is equal to cos square a under bracket n square minus 1. Now find the value of cos square a. We need to write this one, cos square a is equal to m square minus 1 divided by n square minus 1. This is the root. So it is very easy, but thing is that the decision making process will be good and it will be solid, so that there will be no any loop line in the process, and you will find the answer in the correct manner. This is the second question of identities. Tan A divided by 1 minus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to, either you can prove 1 plus tan theta tan A, 1 plus tan A or cot A, or 1 plus sec A into cosec A. Both you can find and solve the things. For this I will suggest you convert this cot A into tan form and solve the denominator, then after take the common and solve this one. Don't do the conversion process of sine and cos, it will be very toughest for you, for the beginners, to solve in the form of sine and cos. So I will suggest go for the tan. So 1 by tan A is equal to tan A. Cot A can be written as 1 by tan A. Now this one will be remain as, first we will solve this one, then I will solve this one. So this process is this one. Now take the LCM, this tan A will be multiply this one, so it will be tan square A, tan A minus 1 plus cot A 1 minus tan A. See the term of denominator of this one. Here tan A minus 1, here 1 minus tan A. So I will do this one, tan square A divided by tan A minus 1. I will change this sign minus and do tan A, write tan A minus 1. So if in this case the both denominator will be same, so I will take the common. 1 by tan A minus 1 will be common, so it will be tan square A minus cot square A. Now I will change this cot A as tan form. For this one, this is 1 by tan A minus 1. Now this will be tan square A, and cot can be written as 1 by tan A. So 1 by tan A minus 1, after this one cross multiplication, tan cube A minus 1 divided by tan A. Now this can be break down into A cube minus B cube, so break it, so it will be 1 by tan A minus 1 into, above portion will be dependent tan A minus 1 into tan square A plus tan A plus 1 divided by tan A. So this one will be cancelled out. Now remaining term will be like that. Remaining term will be like that, tan square A plus tan A plus 1 divided by tan A. Divide each term of tan A, so it will be tan A divided by tan A 1 by tan A cot A. So one portion of this question has proved, that is 1 plus tan A plus cot A. So it is come as 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A plus cot A. This is the first part of the proof. Now come to the second part of the proof. For this we will change tan A and cot A into sin by cos. See the RHS term here, one is already there, and I have also one here. So I will write this one, tan A plus cot A in bracket and then 1, because 1 has come this one, so I will not change this one as into any other form. Now sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by sin A plus 1. Take the LCM, so it will be sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin A into cos A and then plus 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1, so it will be sin A into cos A plus 1. 1 by sine A can be written as cosec A. 1 by cosec A can be written as sec A plus 1. The second part of this question has been proved. So this is the method. I will suggest you to do and solve some question of identities so that your fluency will be maintained till the examination will over. And this is the last video for the identities. If you have any problem in the identities, write the things in the comment box. I will come with the question that you will ask me, and then in my next video you will find I will discuss upon the geometrical term. So we will discuss the geometry things in my next video. Till that, have a good day. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for everything. Have a good day. God bless you. Take a good care of yourself.